So what's the cost of building the extended enterprise? How do these partnerships come together? How do you get to the point where you're starting to win, even though you might have to invest an awful lot of money up front to do that? Well, there's two things you have to think about. If you're in for the long run, not just getting the quarterly result that you're going to go, but you're actually in for the long run and you understand how this can work, you're going to see that investing into your supplier, after you've done a very good walkthrough to make sure you're picking the right supplier, do they have the right attitude, is their management system in place, you obviously have to do some upfront work to determine which supplier you're going to pick so you know who's the best person. Not everybody has the thinking like you do. Not everybody is able to see into the future and say, hey, if we work together as partners, we're much better than if we're working together as individuals. So first you have to do that. That's pretty cost neutral. That doesn't take a whole lot. The second thing, though, is do you develop a small group? Or do you hire from some outside consultants that you know? Either way, you send those in and you start to build up. We see differences and changes in cost and quality within 6 to 12 weeks of working with any supplier that we work with. So the overall cost usually has a return on investment of much better than 1 year. So if you really can see the future, really understand the future, and you can really see what's going to happen to you by partnering with these people, and they're the right partner for you, you'll see your investment return yourself in 1 year, and then in the years subsequently, the money just continues to come in very, very quickly.